the Munchies Chef. I'm back with another video. We're gonna make champurado today. Simple and easy, but very time consuming. You have to have patience for this. All you need is flour, cocoa, real 100% cocoa powder, cinnamon powder, 2 cans of evaporated milk, sugar, and grounded up cloves, clavo. And one thing I don't have out here, but I'll get it to the fridge, 1 full gallon of milk. And that's it. Let's get started. I already have 1 cup of flour in here. You're gonna use about, the thicker you want it, the more flour you're gonna, 2 cups is, 2 cups is enough. I'm gonna do about 1 and a half basically, but 2 is perfect. If you do more than 2, it's too much. So the patience you need here is you're gonna turn this on your stove for about a medium, at about a medium high. And the patience you need is you need to keep stirring this over and over and over. This flour that's white has to tannin up and turn brown, basically. And it's gonna take a long time, so be patient. And then also when we're turning it into the liquid that it is, you also have to keep stirring a lot because you don't want it to stick to the bottom of your pot. And you have to keep stirring that over and over and over and over and over until it's done. But I have mine at medium right now. If you guys cook on stainless steel, you know that stainless gets hot faster than anything else. So I'd say keep it at about a medium or under medium. But this is it. You just got to keep doing this over and over. Obviously, we're going to edit the video so you're not sitting here watching me do this for the next. It's literally going to take about 20 to 30 minutes doing this, what you're seeing me do right now. So you'll probably come back later where it says a few moments later. And then you'll see how this is brown and not white.
A few moments later.
You see how these little brown spots are right here, people? That's how we want all the flour to look like. All these little burnt, toasted flour. If you can see it. I'm sure you can tell already it's not white like when you first put it in here. See all these brown spots right here? That's all you gotta keep doing. Turning and turning and turning. When you guys are turning this, don't pick it up and turn it like this. Just do what I'm doing. Just scoop, turn, scoop, turn. Don't lift your spoon. Like I said, you can make a big mess with flour real quick, real fast, real easy. And I'm just trying to help you guys from making a huge mess. I've done this a few times, so I don't make a lot of a mess, but I still am going to get this kitchen dirty. The stove, anyway. Y'all see that smoke, how it's smoking, and it's already brown. It just needs to be a little bit more brown. And use something obviously that's gonna slide easy under your flour and your pan. Just, I like these little rubber spatula things. It works perfect for this. I've had to turn my heat down and up quite a few times already, guys. But this is what we want. This nice tan color. It's almost done. See little balls of flour smashed in. The white stuff there, white flour.
Mama. Mama. Amma. Mama. Mama.
Dad. Just saying dad.
Mama. Ma.
Deal. Deal.
Naraya. Right.
Comes out all normal. Alright everybody, this is basically what it's going to look like when it's all said and done. Nice tan looking, khaki color, or like they say on Nacho Libre, light tan. My favorite color is light tan. So that's what it's going to like. Now, we're going to get a bowl and a strainer. Bowl. And you're gonna strain the flour. You're gonna strain the flour. Whoa, that almost slid right off my hand. And personally, I like to do this about twice with the flour. You're gonna get all the lumps and all that stuff out of here. And then you're just gonna shake it up. See, then you got those little ball things right there. That's basura, garbage. So now we're gonna do it one more time. Put it back in the pan. And do it one more time. Then we just do this again. A lot less this time. I'm not expecting the all gone anyway, so. Okay, so now we're gonna add the other ingredients. I don't need this spatula right now. I put this on here just because it's brand new, but right here you're gonna use about a quarter cup. Quarter, it says right there, quarter cup of this chocolate powder, cocoa. That's about enough. I'll put like a tiny bit more. That's it. Then you're gonna need a tablespoon, no, a teaspoon, quarter teaspoon of this ground cloves. And personally, I like to like let it overflow a little bit. This actually gives it a good. This stuff is strong. You just need, like, I'll put a little more. That's gonna give it like this flavor that you can. I mean, if you can taste it, it's gonna be delicious. Okay. I had to go back to my recipe, guys. This is actually, I have as a quarter. I put a quarter in here, I'm gonna put another quarter. It's actually half a teaspoon of clavo, grounded up cloves. Half a teaspoon. I'm waiting on more sugar. The wife is finding more sugar. And then, cinnamon. Cinnamon. We're gonna use about 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Also gives it a good flavor. About 2 cups of sugar. The more sugar, obviously, the sweeter it's going to be. That's about a cup. Okay, we got some more sugar. And use regular sugar, people, like cane sugar, not powdered sugar. And to me, 2 cups is enough. This is my mom's recipe. She puts 3 cups of sugar, but that'd be just too sweet sometimes. I'm actually gonna put like less than. And then that's basically it with this powder stuff. I'm gonna get my little thingamajigger here and just stir everything up. This is your cinnamon, sugar, flour, cloves, clavo, whatever, and the cocoa. Just stir it all up together. And this, honestly, like sometimes I do this like this, and I just leave this. I could leave this sitting here for a few days, and then when I want to make the liquid itself, then we just pour it into the milk and heat it up. We usually, this is a crisp, winter time type thing. This is the day after Thanksgiving we're filming this. We're all getting together here at my house, like always. Do a family game night that we do. We all play. If you guys haven't played this game called Secret Hitler, it's pretty cool. You guys should look it up and play Secret Hitler. But if you have trust issues, don't play it. It's a fun game though. We tend to get pretty rowdy. Maybe I'll put some of it on the film so you guys can see what it's about. So see, this is all stirred up. That's it. Now we're gonna get the milk going. 1 gallon of milk. All of it. Throw it in there. The whole gallon. I use 2%. You can use whatever you want. I'd say don't go less than 2%. But whole milk, that'd be bomb too. There's already flour in it, so now we're gonna get this. We gotta get it to a boil, basically. Cover it to get it hot a little bit faster. So now we're all done with that. All we need now is these 2 cans of evaporated milk. We're gonna mix it in with this stuff. So now we're gonna pour it in here. Sorry, I didn't realize I shouldn't have opened it all the way, but it's all good. Dump the whole things in here. Both of them. And then, when we're done, we're gonna obviously strain this, whip it up, stir it up. When we throw it in with the milk, we're gonna strain it one last time. This is what it's gonna look like. Look at that. It's all mixed in here. All super deliciousness. It's gonna be. If you guys could smell this, it smells bomb. The aroma of cinnamon, chocolate, and the clavo. It's all super bomb diggity. That's it for now. Let this thing heat up. Strain it one last time. And that's it. Then it's just stir again like we did the flour. Back and forth so the bottom don't stick. Back and forth, back and forth. I'd say use a flat spatula just so you can scrape the bottom. And just don't let it get stuck. We'll be right back. Alright everybody, the milk is nice and hot now. You want to get it basically to a boil, but not on high. Like I said, unless you want to keep stirring quicker and quicker, non-stop. But I have it at about a medium high. The milk is hot, and that's when I'm going to add the rest of this stuff. Get the strainer, throw in the rest of this liquid gold. Brown gold. Stick quiet. Alright, I need your assistance. Somebody, nothing. Come right here. Hold this. Don't burn yourself. that's it. Now you just keep stirring non-stop until you get it, once again, to about a boil. All right, everybody, that's it. We're done. I turned it off. I'm still stirring because obviously it's still hot and it can still stick to the bottom. But this is it, we're done. This is all you get right here, a gallon of Champurado. And it is bomb diggity. So now, time to taste it. You got the little M&M mug. And keep in mind with this flour we put in here, when this cools down a lot, it's gonna get thick. And all you gotta do is either heat it in the microwave or heat it in the oven. I mean, the stovetop again. Now, this is super hot, so. Babe, you wanna taste this?
Yeah. But it's hot.
Yeah, but you like hot stuff, that's why. Let's see, I'll give it a little. It smells so good. I still can't do it.
Just pretend.
Yeah, that is bomb diggity. Bomb diggity. That's it, guys. Champurado, easy, just time consuming. Few ingredients, obviously I'll put them on the video, but this is good winter food, winter drink. Mexicans goes good with some tamales, and whatever else you want to eat it with. Bomb diggity. Thanks for joining us. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Stay hungry, keep munching. God bless. Peace.